Hello and welcome to Promonoise. I'm your host Alex Morin, and before I get rocking and rolling on today's PRV, do yourself a favor. Subscribe to this channel because I am always bringing you incredible product reviews, and who knows, the next one may just make you a lot of money. So, I'm going to talk to you today about Martini Vispak, an incredible company doing some innovative things. And here's one of the things they're doing. But before I let you in on this little secret, let me ask you a question. If you could advertise anywhere in the world, what would be one of the greatest locations on which to advertise? I think we might all agree that it's the cell phone. Why? Because billions of people across the planet use their cell phones, and they use them all the time. We're constantly looking at our cell phones. So if I can get an advertisement on that cell phone, I am winning, and you are winning. So here's what Martini Vispak did. They created a silicone cell phone strap. Here's how it works. You put it in the case of your phone and then through the camera hole. You attach it to the bottom as well, and then you can slip your hand through it, and unlike clumsy me, you won't be dropping your phone anymore and cracking that screen. How great is that? Plus, it's way easier to take a selfie like this. I love this product. It's convenient, it's comfortable, it works well, it's got fabulous branding that we can see at all times. This is a cool product available in a multitude of colors. This can be screen printed, or it can be debossed if you'd like it to be a little bit more discreet on the logo side. Ooh, now we're talking, Alex. Tell me more. Okay, I will. Silicone is a very interesting material. I like it a lot more than I like plastic, because when we make plastic, we have to dig into the earth and we have to extract crude oil, something we don't have to do for silicone. In fact, silicone comes from silica, which comes from sand, of which there's lots of it on the planet. And it's recyclable in many places around the world. Additionally, silicone is impervious to cold temperatures and super hot temperatures, something we cannot say about plastic. So for all those reasons, I love the material. Now, in addition to that, this fabulous product is available in all of these different colors, including white over here on my other cell phone. And what's even cooler about this product is we can increase the advertising. And we can do that by imprinting the card that comes with it. Now let's not forget, each of these bands is actually custom printed, and then they're individually packaged, and it comes with a stock card. If you want to customize this card, if you want to turn it into an advertising piece that advertises a game that's going on, a coupon for a restaurant, a giveaway for some type of manufacturing company, the world's your oyster. There's no additional unit charge, only one extra setup charge, and you get to personalize that card. I love this! So where are people using this product? They're using it for giveaways. It's inexpensive. It's easy to get out. You can mail it anywhere across North America, probably for one postage stamp. I love that. Isn't that wild? So give it out at an NFL game. Give it out at an NBA game. Give it out at a conference or a convention. Because of its low unit cost, you can give these out with that customized card on there, incredible branding, and now people are going to have that on their cell phone. They will use it every day of the year, and they will see your brand and your advertising incessantly. Martini Vispak is where it's at. What a wild company with awesome ideas. For all of those reasons, you've got to check this product out. It's the SKU 3816, and you are going to love it. Hey, I'm Alex from Promonoise. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you again at the next product review. In the meantime, let's keep making beautiful noise.